Hi friends, welcome back to our TR Studios. Before enjoying this video, I request you to subscribe, press bell icon.
The vast and ever-surprising waters of the Arabian Sea have recently offered a startling revelation to the bustling metropolis of Mumbai. For the very first time, the Indian lionfish, a creature of both breathtaking beauty and potent venom, has been officially documented along the city's western suburban coastline. This significant discovery, reported in June of 2025, has sent ripples of excitement and concern through the marine biology community. The appearance of this fish, known scientifically as in a region where it has never been recorded before, marks a pivotal moment for our understanding of the local marine ecosystem. It serves as a vivid reminder that the ocean's depths still hold many secrets, and its inhabitants are constantly shifting in response to a changing world. The sighting was not the result of a large, funded expedition, but rather the keen eye of a citizen scientist, a testament to the growing power of public participation in scientific discovery. This initial observation was later confirmed by experts, cementing its place as the first official record of the species in these specific waters. The presence of the Indian lionfish raises immediate questions about the health and dynamics of Mumbai's coastal environment. Is this a solitary wayward individual, or does it signal the beginning of a new population establishing itself far from its usual home? The answer to this question will have profound implications for the native sea life that calls this part of the Indian coastline home. This event underscores the rich and often overlooked biodiversity that thrives just beyond one of India's most densely populated urban centers. The city's shoreline, often associated with commerce and recreation, is also a complex habitat for a wide array of marine species. The arrival of such a distinctive and formidable creature like the lionfish forces us to look more closely at the underwater world at our doorstep. It challenges our perceptions and encourages a deeper appreciation for the intricate web of life that exists beneath the waves. This single observation has opened a new chapter in the ecological story of Mumbai's coast, one that researchers are now eager to read and understand. The initial excitement of discovering a new species for the area is naturally tempered with a sense of caution. The lionfish is a renowned predator, equipped with a formidable defense mechanism in its venomous spines. Its introduction to any new environment requires careful monitoring and study. Marine researchers, including those from the Coastal Conservation Foundation, are now tasked with investigating the circumstances of its arrival. They will seek to determine the potential reach of this species and what its presence might mean for the delicate balance of the local marine food web, initiating a critical new focus for conservation efforts along this vibrant and vital coastline. The Indian lionfish is a member of the Scorpenidae family, a group of venomous marine fish often referred to as scorpionfish. This family is known for its members' ability to deliver painful and sometimes dangerous stings through their sharp spines. The lionfish is a truly striking example of this lineage, a visual masterpiece of evolution. Native to the vast expanse of the western Indo-Pacific region, its natural habitat includes the warm waters of the Red Sea and stretches all the way to Indonesia. Its appearance in the Arabian Sea off Mumbai is therefore a significant extension of its known range, prompting scientific curiosity about the pathways that led it here. Identifying the Indian lionfish is a relatively straightforward task, thanks to its unmistakable and dramatic appearance. The fish boasts a series of bold zebra-like stripes that alternate between reddish-brown and white, covering its entire body. These stripes serve as camouflage, breaking up its outline against the complex backdrop of a coral reef or rocky outcrop. Perhaps its most defining features are its long, showy pectoral fins, which fan out like intricate feathery wings. These fins, combined with its elongated dorsal spines, create a silhouette that is both elegant and intimidating, a clear warning to any potential threats in its underwater realm. The most critical feature to be aware of, however, is its array of venomous spines. These are located along its back, underside, and pelvic fins. These needle-sharp spines are not used for hunting, but are purely a defensive weapon. When the lionfish feels threatened, it will often stand its ground and present these spines towards the aggressor. A sting from a lionfish can be extremely painful to humans, causing severe swelling and, in rare cases, more serious systemic effects. This potent defense mechanism is what makes it such a successful and resilient species, with very few natural predators of its own. Understanding these characteristics is crucial, not just for marine biologists, but for local fishing communities and anyone who interacts with the coastal environment. The combination of its distinct visual markings, its fan-like fins, and its powerful venomous defense makes the Indian lionfish a creature that demands respect. As it makes its debut in Mumbai's waters, educating the public about how to identify it and the importance of keeping a safe distance becomes a primary goal. This knowledge is the first line of defense in ensuring a safe coexistence between humans and this newly arrived venomous resident of the sea. In its native habitat, the Indian lionfish plays a crucial role as an ambush predator, helping to maintain the ecological balance of coral reef ecosystems. It is a patient hunter, often using its large pectoral fins to corner smaller fish, crustaceans, and other invertebrates against the reef structure. Once its prey is trapped, it strikes with incredible speed, swallowing the victim whole in a single swift motion. By preying on smaller, more abundant species, the lionfish helps to control their populations, preventing any single group from becoming too dominant. This regulatory function is vital for the overall health and stability of the complex food webs found within its home range in the Indo-Pacific. The presence of the lionfish can also be interpreted as an environmental indicator. The appearance of a species outside its established territory can sometimes signal shifts in oceanic conditions, such as changes in water temperature, currents, or salinity. These environmental alterations may create new hospitable corridors for marine life to travel through, allowing them to expand into areas they previously could not inhabit. Therefore, the sighting in Mumbai could be more than just an isolated incident. It might be a biological clue, pointing towards broader ecological changes occurring within the Arabian Sea. Monitoring its presence could provide valuable data on the long-term impacts of climate change on our oceans. However, the very traits that make the lionfish a balanced predator in its native environment can make it a devastating invasive species elsewhere. When introduced to a new ecosystem where local fish are not familiar with it as a predator, the lionfish can have a catastrophic impact. Native prey species do not recognize the danger it poses, making them easy targets. Furthermore, local predators often do not prey on the lionfish due to its venomous spines. This lack of natural control allows lionfish populations to grow unchecked, leading to a rapid decline in the populations of small, commercially and ecologically important reef fish. This potential for ecological disruption is the primary concern for marine biologists in Mumbai. If the lionfish establishes a breeding population, it could outcompete native predators for food and resources, fundamentally altering the structure of the local marine community. The small fish and invertebrates that form the base of the food web could be decimated, with cascading effects on larger fish, marine mammals, and even seabirds that depend on them. The challenge now is to determine if this sighting is a one-off event or the vanguard of a biological invasion, a distinction that will shape the future of Mumbai's coastal biodiversity. The confirmation of the Indian lionfish in Mumbai's waters was made possible through the power of citizen science, highlighting the invaluable role that the public can play in conservation. The initial report came from an informed individual associated with the Coastal Conservation Foundation, an organization that actively engages its members in documenting marine life. This collaborative approach between researchers and the community is becoming increasingly vital for monitoring vast coastal areas. It demonstrates that with proper guidance and a platform to share observations, everyday citizens can become the eyes and ears for scientists, contributing to significant discoveries that might otherwise be missed. This partnership is essential for building a comprehensive picture of our marine ecosystems. Rania Ansari, a respected marine researcher with the Coastal Conservation Foundation, was instrumental in verifying the sighting. She emphasized that this discovery serves as a powerful call to action. In her expert opinion, it is no longer enough to simply acknowledge that our coasts are biodiverse. we must actively work to identify, respect, and protect the life they harbor. Ansari stressed the urgent need for increased awareness among the general public and local communities, particularly fishermen. Recognizing a new species like the lionfish, understanding its potential impacts, and knowing how to report sightings are critical steps in managing its presence and safeguarding the delicate local ecology. The work of organizations like the Coastal Conservation Foundation is at the forefront of this effort. Through workshops, coastal walks, and digital platforms, they are empowering citizens with the knowledge to become active participants in marine conservation. By systematically documenting the biodiversity along Mumbai's coast, they are creating a baseline of data that is crucial for tracking changes over time. This lionfish sighting will undoubtedly galvanize these efforts, encouraging more people to look closer at the intertidal zones and shallow waters they frequent. Every photograph and every observation contributed by a citizen adds a valuable piece to the complex puzzle of our marine world. Ultimately, the arrival of the Indian lionfish is a profound lesson in the interconnectedness of our planet's oceans and the importance of vigilance. It is a reminder that marine biodiversity is not static, but dynamic and constantly evolving. Preserving this rich heritage requires a collective effort, a partnership between scientific experts and an engaged public. By fostering a sense of stewardship and encouraging community involvement, we can better monitor our coastal environments, respond effectively to new challenges like potential invasive species, and ensure that the vibrant underwater world of Mumbai's shores continues to thrive for generations to come.
Thank you for watching TR Studios. Please like, comment and share.